Oh my God, now this is an outfit of the day. Meanwhile, this is what I'm actually wearing because we're just lazing around the house. But what is up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, well, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw me chatting about eBay the other day. I went on, shall we say, a little shopping spree. Okay, so it wasn't actually so little. That was only a screenshot of like 1 of 5 pages. However, makes the perfect amount of stuff for a haul. eBay is honestly one of my all-time favorite websites to shop on because it's just like a little treasure trove of all sorts of, all sorts of basically anything you could literally ever even think of. So what did I get? I don't know, a bunch of stuff I didn't need, a bunch of stuff I wanted, and just, you know, a bunch of stuff that I don't even really remember what I got, but I will remember when I show it to you guys. So without further ado, I thought I would show you guys, since you asked, what I bought on eBay. What I bought on eBay. Does that work? No, not really. All right. Anyways, here we go. Tell me why I spent so much money on all this stuff I literally did not need. Honestly, it kind of works. But anyways, okay, so to spare you guys my horrific singing, we're just going to go ahead and get started. So I have decorated my bed with some of the things that I bought. So we're just gonna go ahead and go one by one with all the things. So we're actually gonna start with this because I really like this thing. So my favorite thing to buy on eBay is vintage stuff because not only can you get a good deal, but you get unique things that nobody else has. Like this. Like, do you know how many other people are gonna have this dress at prom? Literally nobody, because I got it on eBay. This dress is literally vintage from the 80s. Oh my gosh, I got it for $33. Oh my gosh, look at this. Tacky fabulous. Like, oh my God, honestly, couture. Black velvet, golden, whatever this is, crystally detailing. We stan the 80s, ladies. I love an unintentional rhyme. So anyways, yeah, that is outfit number 1. Righty, what else did we get? I guess we'll do all the dresses first. Boom. Alrighty, so these are 2 more vintage dresses that are from the 80s also that I plopped on eBay here. I will put them on for you because they don't really look like anything when they're just sitting here, but they're fire, I promise. Okay, so this one is actually very similar to the other one because it is black velour and also with gold detailing here. You can see this one looks very kind of old style. I didn't alter this one yet, but this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so obviously not quite like this because this looks very crazy, but I'm gonna kind of make it into a high-low dress. So the front is like this and the back is like this, and it's gonna be very cool once it's, you know, not just pinned up. Oh, whoops, that was a little too high. Okay, anywho, next look. Happy birthday, I'm your present. I actually showed this one already in my last online shopping haul, but this dress is so stinking cute. Also black velvet, also from the 80s. Giant red bow, very festive for Christmas time, even though I know it's literally almost July. An absolutely vicious look. A look, a look, a look. Ooh. All right, so we'll take a break from dresses for a second with something I love even more. Shoes. Alrighty, so we actually got lots and lots of shoes this round, so here are them. So these are the first pair of shoes that I got. I showed you guys these also on Instagram when I was doing jury duty. I wore them. They are so cool. I actually got them brand new, but I wore them a few times already. But so cute. Like, look at these. Oh my gosh, so cute. My toe is wearing a Band-Aid because I got a pedicure the other day and they cut my literal toe so badly I still need to wear a Band-Aid on it. But anyways, absolutely phenomenal. Yes, we love it. By the way, I was really uncomfortable in that red dress. So I changed into this little thing that I also got on eBay, a weird little Versace inspired corset. Of course, it's not actually Versace, it was $16, but you know, any hoozy. 2 things that are actually Versace. We have these puppies. These are so cool because honestly, I admit they do kind of look like stripper heels, but they are Versace, so no one can really tell me anything. Like, these are absolutely ridiculous by every stretch of the imagination, but oh, I love them. I mean, I love anything with glitter on it, so honestly, woo! Now that is a mood, kids. Looking a little more subtle, look, we've got these little mini vintage Versace ones. Oh my God, these are so cute. These I could actually totally wear in real life because the heel is pretty low, so they are actually wearable little pumpkins. Very cute, more of a little preppy vibe. On the more casual end of things, I also got these. These are little Chanel flats. I got these because like I said, I'm going on vacation a lot lately. So these are super cute that I can actually walk around in and not be, you know, crying because I'm wearing heels on a hike. I literally can't find the other sock, which is so annoying, and this one is actually dirty, so you know. But you get the point. Super cute patent leather, kind of like those saddle shoes we used to wear as kids. Alrighty, moving on from shoes, we're gonna do something a little more casual. Alrighty, so here we go. I just love old sweatshirts. I think they're way cooler than today's sweatshirts. Like, look at this. This one has a built-in collar, so fun. Giorgio Beverly Hills. What is that? I don't know. Maybe it's Georgie. And where I live, but I'm just ripping my life on this shirt that I got on eBay for $20. But yeah, there we go. That's this one. But honestly, this one's way better. I am gonna wear this on my next date. Absolutely fantastic. I also got some jean shorts because I thought that would be fun. I love old jean shorts, so picked up London jean, whatever the hell that is. So cute, right? And they just so happen to fit literally perfect, so very cute, very cute. If you guys remember my last eBay haul where I got that super cute little Dior jacket, guess what? I found his twin. Oh, I found the skirt too. So now I have the whole little matching set. Oh, Dior booty. And another side note, I also got this hat because eBay kept suggesting it to me, so I bought it. I'm not sure what that says about my purchase history, but you know, it's kind of cute. Reminds me of the early 2000s. So, there's that. Okay, back to a little bougier things. This is also vintage from the 90s. This is so cool. The 1995 Chanel Spring Summer will always be my favorite runway show basically of all time, and this was literally from there. Wow. Even the mess in the background makes this look very aesthetic, but yeah, I love this jacket. Yes, I know it looks very similar to the yellow one I have, but it's different. I love shopping. You can never have enough stuff. Don't tell my credit card company I said that, but you know. Ooh, switching gears from the 90s back to the 80s again. We got this crazy getup. If I literally stand on my kitchen chairs, you can see it better, but ta-da! It's crazy. I love puffy sleeves and I love that it's velour, so of course I'm gonna make it shorter and switch up the buttons, and then this is gonna be a very serious look, so stay tuned. I need to clean this mirror. Okay, anyways, before I die. Alrighty, so I also bought a couple of pairs of earrings. These are little pearl Chanel stud guys that are actually currently being sold in the stores. And these two, I have no idea what year these are from. I think like 2018, I don't remember. This is literally such a hard thing to film, but you can see these look like that. And then, oh, the pearl ones look like this. Honestly, I look to wear them both at the same time, but yeah, people always ask how you can tell real things from fake things. Honestly, all you really got to do is kind of do your research. Like, these both came with the certificate of authenticity, the box, the original receipt, and also I knew these were styles that Chanel originally had made. So do a little bit of your research, but you can oftentimes get a pretty sick discount if you know what's up. Do you guys recognize this from my Japan vlog? This was the dress in that photo I took on Instagram, but this is actually vintage Dolce & Gabbana. So cute. It was actually super long, but I had it hemmed to be cute and short and fun. So that is this dress. Oh God, also you can see my pile of stuff right there. Anyways, doesn't matter. Expose myself right there. But yeah, don't be afraid to get things altered to make them fabulous, because I would have never bought this in a million years if it was as long as it was. So yeah, you just gotta kind of get creative sometimes. There's some fabulous diamonds in the rough. You know, like this. Okay, so yeah, I bought this. I don't really know, have not tried it on until just now, so this is gonna be a little harder to do than I thought, but here's the general idea. I'm going to try to alter it to turn it into something like this, so obviously I need a lot of sewing skills, but it's gonna be a very cute little, like, wintry dress. Again, why am I buying winter clothes in July? I don't know, but again, stay tuned for Instagram. Eventually, it's going to be very cute. Okay, so did I buy a full-on Victorian wedding dress? Yes, I did. After seeing all the cool 80s prom dresses in my 80s shopping video, I just figured I had to buy one for myself. So, of course, we're going to alter this because we're not gonna wear this out. But yeah, if we hoe it up and make it a cute little short dress, it will be very fun to gallivant in gardens in alone, or whatever other romantic activities I feel like embarking in. Another fabulous first date outfit, a wedding dress. And you guys wonder why I'm single. Maybe I'll just keep it long and like pick cherries on the weekend for a hobby. Oh my goodness, welcome to the Jersey Shore prom. LOL, okay, so like I said, I'm very tacky. I love cheetah print, so fun. So I got this weird little dress with like a silky bottom for, I think this was like $25? Somebody out there's old prom dress or choir dress or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some, you know, minor alterings to it. Like honestly, maybe I'll just do that and make it like a thigh slit. But yeah, this is actually very cute. Who would have thunk? I almost didn't buy this. Glad I did. Such a look. Like a Greek cheetah statue. Cheetah girls, cheetah sisters. And there you have it, you I bought on eBay this week. Do I really need to calm down on shopping? Honestly, yes and no. I mean, this is technically my job, which is what I tell myself to support my addiction, but you know, also it's fun and I would do this regardless of whether this was my job. So anyways, on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. It's literally because of you guys that I get to do this. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you want any tips and tricks on eBay shopping, I will make a full separate video about that at some point. So comment, let me know if you need that or not. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any notifications for that. And I guess that is the tea on that. I love you guys. To the moon and back, my angels. XO. Oh my god. This is absolutely the best outfit I've ever worn. What do you mean I can't wear this to the parent-teacher conference? Cheryl, don't be ridiculous. This is perfectly appropriate for the business meeting. Don't worry, honey, your parents will love me. I'm going to fall over.